Hey everyone, so this is part 2 of the video of how about the Boss GT1. Now I made a mistake in the first video. These are the John Petrucci pickups, but it's Crunch Lab and Liquid Fire. I said Jazzmaster because I was thinking about that pickup. I'm wanting to try it, but so I kind of had it fresh in my mind. Now, with saying that, we're going to do this some sound bites, and all I'm going to do is just do some riffs. The main reason I'm doing this is because even though you listen to people play this online, I'm using inexpensive gear, so it's going to sound just like this at your house. And I'm going to try to do riffs close to what's on the GT5. So when you hear a sound, I try to do a riff as close to that style. That way you kind of get a feel for it, and hopefully you'll recognize a lot of these tunes. Now, this is not about me playing. I'm not practiced, warmed, or any of that stuff. This is about listening to the tones. So the first one we're going to get into, and keep in mind these pickups, they're very active pickups. They're very hot, which usually means that this is going to have a deeper end, lower end. This is going to have the mids up a little bit higher. So where you'd probably listen to a Strat, you'd probably get a different sound. And the same thing with a Les Paul because they're not active pickups. So the first thing I want to get into is the natural clean. I love this sound. It's a very nice creamy sound. Just a very nice, warm, clean sound. So it's just a very nice little warm sound. The next one, this is a jazzy sound. I like it as well. I'm really into fusion and jazz these days. To me, it's just a beautiful tone, right? Just a nice clean tone. But now next one is Little Wing. It's gonna be fun. Been decades. Oops, let's do that one again. So you get it, right? The other one I positioned my finger wrong and it made that little lick hard. And again, that would probably sound better with single coil pickups. Now, this one's called AC/DC, so let's try it out. What's that other one? That one's a little off because AC/DC likes to do this A thing. And it's kind of hard to do those two songs back to back. But this is probably one of my favorite AC/DC ones. You get it. Cool, huh? Are you going to go my way? Ooh, Lenny Kravitz. Something like that. For my folks back in Georgia. Turn it up. Something like that. For all those 70s guitar teachers are working in a guitar shop. Ooh. One finger. Some Aerosmith. Kind of be better if I practice these riffs, huh? 90s. Smells like number 2. That's what it says. And no, I will not smash my guitar. It's going to be the only song on the planet that made two notes sound perfect. Anyway, Plush, one of my favorite bands, Stone Temple Pilots. Neil Young. Keep on rocking in the free world. Very cool song. Metallica. This is called Inner Sandman. Let's give that a shot. That's not enough to make you have nightmares. High gain Metallica. This would be like puppets. But truthfully, I like this song better. Nope. Sure, that was wrong, but it was supposed to have been Seek and Destroy. Oh, this one's called The One. So let's give that a shot. Something like that. That little intro was nasty, wasn't it? You guys, we could do that one more time just for the heck of it. We'll start from here. Much better. It's been decades. Oh, this one's gonna be fun. All right, so jack that one up, but you get it. You probably really should practice these. Thanks to Kevin Roberts for teaching me that decades ago. That's a really cool riff, though. It turned out Slash actually wrote that as a practice riff to warm up to, and then the band just loved the way it sounded. So this one's called Rhodes. Randy Rhodes. I love Randy Rhodes. But to me, it's too muddy. It might sound better with a Les Paul. Again, these are active pickups, so they pick up a lot of low end. This one you should recognize, though. Now, if I was going to do, this is called Power Drive. I actually played with this one a lot. And it has that kind of classic sound like this. I like NIB better. But like, for an example, I can't play it as good as Kevin Roberts, but one of my favorite songs is Mr. Crowley.